In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is everything. Closing out your dealership every night shouldn't be a race against time. Settling each payment terminal manually is exhausting. And then comes reconciliation, matching batch reports with bank deposits. Errors creep in, delays happen, and cash flow suffers. Introducing Dejavoo's Settle by Store, your smart one-click batch settlement solution. With the iPOS Pays gateway, settling all your terminals has never been easier, giving you complete flexibility and control. Instantly process settlements from the portal or directly on the terminal itself. No waiting, no complications. Just one click and your transactions are settled seamlessly. Need reports? No problem. Consolidated settlement reports are automatically sent to your finance team's inbox. No manual work required. No more delays, no more errors. You'll receive fast, accurate, and effortless settlements with Dejavoo's gateway feature, Settle by Store.